There have been engineers for about as long as there have been people. This classroom is full of things that had to be engineered. Somebody had to design the structure, and then they had to actually implement those designs. All of that is engineering.
So within the academy, there's 4 different engineering classes. You take one your freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior year.
In our class, we have all the same students in the same class. So we have engineering, we have English, and we have math.
What we learn in math helps us in engineering. What we learn in English helps us present.
You have to be able to integrate it all together. In the engineering class, there's a lot of projects along the way, and that requires that sort of creative thinking, creative problem solving.
We go through a design process, defining the problem, develop a solution, creating the solution, evaluating, and then you present.
It doesn't matter how crazy the idea is, because it might work. Even though we're applying this for high school, this is how you see it in real life.
I was the project manager and I had interns. So I was the one that was in charge of who was going to do what. So everybody had their own jobs and everybody had their part. It had engineering and it had science and it had math and it had English, business.
So it puts kids in that position of being professionals in the business industry, working with clients.
We're hoping that this project will kind of take you to your breaking point.
It gets you out into the real industry, gets you to meet new people and experience things that you wouldn't have in the classroom.
I've been working with you guys now for 3 years, and you guys step it up every year.
Problem-solving skills are going to aid you no matter what direction you choose to go in with your life. The Engineering Academy is a great place to start.